Hi everyone. I am giving you a brief overview of how to navigate the course. There seems to be some confusion on how to find information that is required for this class. So you'll see here we're at the home page for the English 101 Section W03 course. There's a couple links in the middle that'll take you to the modules for each week, and on the right there are to-do lists. You'll see my to-do list on the right are things that need to be graded, but your to-do list will contain your assignments. On the left-hand side, you have the Home button, Announcements, Modules, Grades, Library webpage, and NetTutor. Today, I'm just going to show you Announcements and Modules. Whenever I post an announcement, it should show up with a little microphone next to it right here. And we can click on it, and you'll see that I post announcements every week that let you know what you need to be working on for that week. If you haven't looked at the last couple announcements, I highly recommend that you do it. Now I'm going to click on Modules. When I click on Modules, it takes me to all of the content for the course. This is where you should spend the most of your time in order to see what you need to do. The Welcome module has all that basic information that you should have looked at in the first week of the course, and you can minimize it so that it's not taking up your screen. All your essay submissions are in the second module, but I also post them in the week that we are on. I'm going to close this one as well. I'm going to minimize until I get to week 4, where we are currently. Every week I have a page with lectures, readings, and assignments. If you do not see this page, then you will not know what to do. So you need to click on it and see, okay, week 4 I should have been drafting my second essay. The assignment page is linked. The prompt, right, which you have to read in order to write the essay, the pages that you need to read, the lectures and handouts, and then a list of the assignments. I'm going to hit the back button on my browser. So I'm back to week 4, and it has a list of those assignments that you have to turn in. You'll also notice, if I go back to week 3, where we started this unit, the second essay for this course, we have the week 3 lectures, reading assignments, and the evaluation essay assignment page. When you click on that, you will see all of the information that you need in order to complete this essay that is due Monday. Okay, so that is a brief overview of using this course. I've received some confusing questions in the last week where I'm not sure that everyone knows how to actually navigate the course. If you have questions, you can email me, and that's all for now. Thanks.